kod Maginda mane kinde manang'anyo timore e gwengego. Jodak makamago mane opong' kod ich wang' ne ng'anyo kaluwore gi tho mag vijende moko ariyo ma wachore ni ne onegi chieng' tich ariyo mar jumani gi apisas marito lee mag bungu wira ni ne gin jonjore. Jodak makamago ne oloro apaya duto madonjo e boma ma Wajir ka bende ne gimoko tie nyamburko e kinde mana gikedo kod obila. Kata kamano ne ochuno obila mondo okegi kod iro malungo wang'.
Security apparatus must change attitude. They should see Kenyans, see Somalis as Kenyans. People of Wajir as citizens. Not to just respond to them with bullets every time when there is an issue. So mine is to ask the county commissioner, being the head of the County Wildlife Conservation Committee, chair, to make sure that he has responsibility to bring those officers who had shot these individuals to book.
This is a serious matter. We will not sit down and watch. Officers who have been given responsibility to safeguard the interests of the people are turning cannibals. I term the officers who have done the action as criminals, not officers, criminals who are using government ammunition to kill the innocent people.
Kama mtu amepatikana na hatia, kuna koti, kuna police cell. Sio kuwa nje na kulete almost 5. Waliua mapema watu vile tulisikia na wakalete jioni. Hiyo ni hatia mbaya, hatuwezi kubali sisi kama leaders ya Wajir.